That's actually part of it. Like if you're looking in Google and you do a plumber near me, but you don't know who you're getting. And that's the thing. If you call Value Dry and I can't help you, I might know a plumber that can help you and that is available and that I've worked with in the past. So really building that trust factor.
That's really strong.
And you can hear people literally just take a breath and be like, oh, thank goodness.
Hey, Bob Carr here for the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today, I got Miss Carolyn from Value Dry in the studio. Carolyn, let's talk about our referral program that we're both involved with, and it's been going great.
Absolutely. I'm glad to be here. We started our referral program with you guys a couple of months back now, Value Dry Waterproofing, and we have clients that call us all the time, and they not necessarily don't need our services, but they need your services. So rather than just turn around and say to a client, listen, we can't help you, we want to be able to refer them to a reputable company and somebody that we trust. And that's when it comes to TLC. Any outside yard drainage is going to be coming to TLC. And so far, it's worked pretty well.
Good deal. Good deal. We appreciate you taking the time today to come in the studio. So tell us a little bit about you. A lot of people obviously don't know you. Mm-hmm. How many years you been working with Jim over at Value Dry?
I've been with Value Dry just over 5 years. I've had a couple of different hats in the company, but in the last 6-7 months, I'm now the new business development person and also referral partnership. So same kind of thing. I go out and meet with plumbers, service industry, electricians, landscaping companies like yourself in different areas. But basically, I'm out there letting them know that Value Dry is around, that we've been in business over 20 years, and that we have a lifetime transferable warranty and that we're reliable. And then building a relationship with them so that if they ever need our services, they know who to call, and vice versa. If I ever need a plumber, if I ever need an electrician, I know who to call.
And how's the program been working for you?
Great. 2022, I just started in 6 months, and we definitely built the program up. My boss was happy, so that made me happy. And I'm just going to keep going from strength to strength. Networking events, chamber events, seeing trucks when I'm getting some gas, and I'll give them my business card and ask them to give me a call, or I'll follow up with them. And it's really been great. The goal is to help each other's businesses grow and keep more marketing dollars in our pockets and not be giving them out to some of the other big marketing companies. Sure,
because that gets very expensive.
Absolutely.
Google, in the old days, it was Yellow Pages. We used to spend a lot of money in Yellow Pages. Mm-hmm. And so it's a whole lot better giving it back to our guys and gals in-house.
I got my sales training from Yellow Pages.
Did you?
So I still stand up when I'm closing a deal. I don't know what it is. I'm 5 foot, but when I stand up, I'm like 6'5". But yeah, so that's just something that they've always done. So
I can remember years ago, dating myself, I can remember when we'd go different cities, be traveling, and whatever hotel it was, you pull out the Yellow Pages and look what the competitors were. Yeah. Now you can just do it with your pocket phone.
Yeah.
If you want to look in Charlotte, you want to look in the West Coast, boom, takes you 2 seconds. But back in those days, you'd open up Yellow Pages. Mm-hmm. Say, what's the competition doing out here?
That's actually part of it. Like if you're looking in Google and you do a plumber near me, but you don't know who you're getting. And that's the thing. If you call Value Dry and I can't help you, I might know a plumber that can help you and that is available and that I've worked with in the past. So really building that trust factor.
That's really strong.
And you can hear people literally just take a breath and be like, oh, thank goodness.
Yeah, they just want the problem solved.
Absolutely.
That's true. That's true. If you can get back to them and help them with that, you have a client for life. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So that's really strong.
And you guys have been great. I mean, we've given out your name and you guys follow up.
We appreciate that.
And it's going to go from strength to strength, 2023.
Good deal. Good deal. Carolyn, I appreciate you coming in today. Appreciate you telling everybody about Value Dry and the services you guys offer. Obviously, we're going to tell all our clients about it. They have a leaky basement, problems going with their sump pump. They contact you guys. And we appreciate the leads you throw our way.
Yeah, absolutely. If someone's got water pooling in their yard, TLC is the one to help them. If they've got water coming inside their house in the basement, they want to call Value Dry. I'm happy to have been here today. Thank you.
Thanks, Carolyn. This wraps up another episode of The Bob Carr Show, and we'll see you next week with another edition of The Bob Carr Show.